All right, welcome to EXP Realty. I've got my EXP Realty hat on and my EXP Realty shirt. I'm going to be your startup guy to get you going here. First of all, welcome to EXP. You are going to love it here. What a great place for you to be able to collaborate with other like-minded agents, to build a retirement, to create residual income, to sell even more houses, but have more free time, have a health insurance plan, lead gen service, everything you know. Why am I saying all this? You already joined, but I want to get you started off on the right foot. So here's what's going to happen. You're going to be looking for an email that comes in from EXP saying, welcome to EXP Realty. If you take a look over here on the screen, I'm going to highlight it. Welcome to EXP Realty. Here's the great news. It's going to come right away. Here's the bad news. It's going to go to your spam. It almost always does. In fact, some ISPs, internet service providers, will block it on the bulk mail portion of it. Okay, it's going to be coming from expert care at exprealty.net. Can you see this from address right here? Expert care at exprealty.net. You're probably going to have to go look for it. And yeah, I know that's frustrating, but look, the days of spam, that's what happens because it's coming from a corporate server. It's going to get blocked. So how do you do that? Well, you can go to your, if you're using Gmail, you can go to your all mail, right? And on your all mail, you can click that, and then you can search up here in the search mailbox for the letters EXP. Put it in there. It'll put up all the emails. Some of you will do that, and you're going to be like, oh my gosh, they've sent me like 7 emails. I haven't seen any of them. That's very possible because they come in rapid fire motion. This is the big one, though. Welcome to EXP Realty. You've got to have that one, okay? And then when you get that one, what you're going to be looking for is you're going to be coming down to it, and you're going to be seeing an email here with lots of hyperlinks that are going to be in there on, okay? One thing that I want you to know on this is that if your font size, if you're my age and you've got your font size up so you can actually read it, half the email is going to be cut off over here on the side. So you have 2 choices. You can either scroll this little bar on the bottom down so you get the full thing because they use the full page of the XP, or you can hit the control button and the minus sign, and you can decrease down the size of your font to squeeze the whole thing in there on one page. Now, if you're my age, you probably can't read that. You have to be up here like this to be able to see it, right? What's the old commercial Stacy says? How to not become your parents or something when you're reading it. But this is what the email looks like, okay? One thing that people miss right away when they get into it is that this right here, access your EXP tools here, excuse me, that is something you're going to need to click. That's a clickable link. Most people miss that and they go right on down. They just start reading through the email, okay? You're going to click that link, and what it's going to do is it's going to open up another screen for you where you're going to be logging in, okay? This is called EXP Enterprise, and oh crap, because I'm already logged in, it took me straight to the page. Hang on, I'm going to log out, and let me go back here. This is what it's going to look like. This is what it's going to bring you to. Sign into Enterprise. You're going to sign in by clicking in here, and you're going to put in your username. It's going to be your email address. Now you're wondering, what's my EXP email address? Well, you're going to go back to the email that you were on that came in, and it tells you your username is probably going to be your first name dot your last name at exprealty.com. But it's going to tell you right here what it is. You're going to use that to fill in. Mine's jim.lambright@exprealty.com. And then you're going to go ahead and click in your password. Now, for those of you being your first time clicking in, it's going to have you set up your password. You're going to click on it. And what you're going to do is it's going to send you to your phone a text message with a code so you can punch it in and they can make sure it's you, because you would have set up a password earlier when you got set up. Now, some of you forgot to write it down or you forgot what it is already, so you may have to jump through the old hoops of needing help signing in down here, and you have to do a forgot password. But hopefully you made it a password that you can remember from when you first got set up, okay? Great. If you're having problems, you reach out to us. We'll help walk you through it. Look, the very first time of doing anything sometimes can be a little frustrating for you. Some of you are just going to fly right through it. Some of you will be like, oh, what happened? And we'll be able to help you out. Okay, we're going to walk you through it on that. Okay, if you are having difficulties, you can also use the tech support link right here and get into tech support. Don't forget, we have 71,000 agents. We have great tech support, but you may need our help while you're getting into it. Okay. you can set up your EXP email to come from your alias. And that's this link right over here. You can click this. It can teach you about doing that. What's that mean? That means you can have all of your emails, your business emails, your personal emails, all dump into one email if you want. Or what I do is I have my personal email, which is where all my junk goes for that. And then I use my EXP email just for real estate stuff. What is my EXP email? jim.lambright@exprealty.com. Yours is probably something similar. Your first dot, last name at exprealty.com. Okay. So you're going to go from there. Next thing down that people miss all the time is this spot, Getting Started Guide. You're going to want to click the Getting Started Guide to, guess what? Get started. And it's going to walk you through everything you need to do. Okay. In this Getting Started Guide, which is huge right now because I've got the screen blown up. Hang on, let me downsize a little bit there for you. There you go. It's going to get you going. Okay. It's going to have you download the EXP World to your computer. That's our world where we go for our virtual office, for all of our trainings, for going to tech support, going to finance, going to meet with our broker, everything like that. You're going to download that there. Okay. And you can also install EXP World Intercom on your phone, either your iPhone or, for you crazy wild people, your Androids. Okay. It's also going to talk to you about your email alias, how to set that up. You get it, right? It's just a checklist to go on down through here, ordering your business cards, everything else that you would need to do. Talks about all our systems, all our tools, everything you need on that. Okay. Also, you can, this tells you where you can get help here. If you're having trouble accessing the EXP World, you got support here that you can go to. And then also our concierge, okay, which can help. And of course, whoever it was that brought you on, that right there is going to get you up and running. Now, for those of you who like our classes, our training and our mentorship is second to none. You're going to want to go down here and you're going to want to bookmark the EXP Realty events calendar. What's that look like? Because we have 50 hours of training all week long. It's going to look like this when you click it. You're going to want to bookmark it, okay? Like right up here. Click the little star, boom. Now I've bookmarked it and it's on my bookmark. Remember, everything's in Pacific time, so our West Coast people, cool, you already got it. For our East Coast people, don't forget you got to add 3 hours to everything on this, okay? And for those of you who are newer, you're going to want to start with Fast Start 101. 101, 102, 103, you get it, right? All the way through 116, just like college, they're numbered, okay? Sunday right now, Real Estate 101 tonight is at 6 o'clock Pacific, which would make 9 o'clock Eastern time. That's a great one for new people to take. They do every Sunday. That's just for EXP agents. Anyways, there's all the training there. Okay. So you've got that. You're going to want to bookmark that so you have it. Also, you're going to want to keep an eye on the EXP Realty announcements in our workplace group. What is workplace? Workplace is, well, let me sign in. Now I'll show you exactly what it is. I'll use my EXP Realty jim.lambert@exprealty.com. Use my EXP Realty email to get in. And then I'll use my password that I created. I'm not going to show you that. And I'll just log in. Beautiful. It's coming up. Workplace is Facebook platform that is a closed system just to EXP Realty agents and our partners, right? So 73,000 and counting agents right now. Be at 500,000 here in a few years. But here's EXP Realty announcements. You would want to join this group and keep an eye on it, and you can add people to it if you want, okay? But that one has all the stuff. Look, they're call for speakers for the EXP Shareholder Summit Big Agent Breakout. Pretty cool, right? Calling all experts. If you're a dynamo, anyways, everything in there you would need. I'm not going to get into all that right now, but it's a really cool spot on there. So you want to definitely have that. Also, over here is the Explore EXP Realty guide, okay? And so that would be here. You would click that, Explore EXP Realty. It has everything that you need. You can start with number 1 and work your way 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get the idea through 14. Okay. That's a great one for you to check out on there. And the EXP Agent Starter Kit. Once you've activated your Passport account, use this link to access your Agent Starter Kit, which also has your free business cards. Okay. And you'll be able to do that. Oh, let's see what's going on. 20% off all signs, business cards right there. You would click that. Bingo. And that's how you're going to get into there. Okay. And you can order whatever you want, get them set up. It's great. You get your first set of free business cards. Okay. That's great. I think you've got everything that you need on there. We want to welcome you again to look how IT'd out I am here with this. Look, I'm ready to go golfing with this. But welcome to EXP Realty and welcome to part of our group. We're so excited to have you. As always, we don't micromanage. If we don't hear from you, we think things are going great. So just check in, any help you need. All of us needed help when we were getting started. And it's like anything. Once you do it once, you're like, oh, that's easy. But the first time you do it, you're like, wow, that's kind of hard. It's only hard for the first time. And here's the great news. 90% of everything I just showed you, it's a one and done thing. You're going to do it once, you're going to have it done, and you won't have to touch it again. It's set it and forget it. So we look forward to talking to all of you really soon. And congratulations and welcome to EXP.